Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to find the factors of the number 112. But before that, let us now understand what are factors. So factors are numbers which when multiplied gives a product. For example, 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Here 20 is the product and 4 and 5 are the factors of 20. Another definition of factors is that if you divide the product by any of the factors like 4 or 5, the number is divided fully without leaving a remainder. As we see here that when 20 is divided by 4 or 5, there are no remainders and it is divided fully. Hence 4 and 5 are the factors of 20. Now let us find out the factors of 112. For finding the factors of 112, we are going to use the second definition in which we say that the factors of a number are numbers which divide it fully without leaving a remainder. So we are going to divide 112 by different numbers and are going to check whether it is divisible by that number fully or not. So let us start by dividing 112 by the number 1. As 1 is a factor of all the numbers, so 112 divided by 1 gives 112 without leaving a remainder. Hence, 1 is a factor of 112. From this division, we got two factors of 112, which is 1 and 112. So, we are going to write the product of factors here as 112 is equal to 1 times 112. Next, we will divide 112 by number 2. So 2 times 5 is 10. We got 1 as remainder. Then we will drop down 2. So 2 times 6 is 12. And the remainder is 0. So 2 is also a factor of 112. And we got two factors from this division as 2 and 56. So we'll write here 2 times 56 is equal to 112. Next, we'll divide 112 by number 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. And the remainder is 2. And then we'll drop down 2. And we got 22. 3 times 7 is 21 and we got 1 as the remainder. Hence 3 is not a factor of 112. Let us divide 112 by 4. 4 times 2 is 8 and we got 3 as remainder. Then we'll drop down 2. So it is 32. Now 4 times 8 is 32 and the remainder is 0. So 4 is a factor of 112. So we'll write it here as the product of 4 and 28. Next we'll divide 112 by 5. 5 times 2 is 10 and we got 1 as remainder. Then we'll drop down 2. 5 times 2 is 10 and the remainder is 2. So 5 is not a factor of 112. Next we'll divide 112 by 6. 6 times 1 is 6. Then we got 5 as the remainder. Next we'll drop down 2. So this is 52. 6 times 7 is 48. So we got 4 as remainder. Hence 6 is not the factor of 112. Next we'll divide 112 by 7. 7 times 1 is 7. We got 4 as remainder. So 7 times 6 is 42 and we got 0 as remainder, hence 7 is a factor of 112. So 7 times 16 is 112. Next we'll divide 112 by 8. So 8 times 1 is 8. 3 is the remainder. Then we'll drop down 2 and 8 times 4 is 32. So here too we are getting 0 as remainder. That means 8 is a factor of 112. We got two factors from this division as 8 and 14. So we'll write 8 times 14 is 112. Next we'll divide it by 9. 9 times 1 is 9 and 2 is remainder. Then we'll drop down 2. So this is 22. 9 times 2 is 18 and we got 4 as remainder. That means 9 is not a factor of 112. Next we'll divide 112 by 10. So 10 times 1 is 10 and 1 is remainder. Then we'll drop down 2. 10 times 1 is 10 and 2 is the remainder. So 10 is not the factor of 112. Next we'll divide 112 by 11. 11 times 1 is 11 and then we'll drop down 2. That means 2 is the remainder here. Hence 11 is not the factor of 112. Next we'll divide 112 by 12. 12 times 9 is 108 and we got 4 as remainder. 12 is also not the factor of 112. Next we'll divide 112 by 13. So 13 times 8 is 104 and we got 8 as remainder. Hence 13 is not the factor of 112. Next we'll divide 112 by 14. So 14 times 8 is 112. Now here we see that we got 14 times 8. 14 and 8 we already got from the previous division. We'll stop our division process here and will not take these factors into consideration as these are getting repeated. As our division process is complete, we can now write all the factors of 112. So factors of 112 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 16, 28, 56 and 112. So these are all the factors of 112. And this is the process by which you can get all the factors of any number. So I hope this video is helpful to you and you can now find the factors of any number easily. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.